Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the exit now. Open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing. You need to know if you're the organizer or a member because the steps change. Organizers must transfer responsibilities first. Once done, review payment method and shared subscriptions so you don't lose access unexpectedly. Make decisions about iCloud, photos, and shared calendars now. Transferring or keeping data affects what stays on your device. Proceed to the next step to remove devices and subscriptions securely. Now manage the middle tasks. Stop purchase sharing or change the family payment method to avoid future charges on your card. Make sure each device using the family Apple ID signs out. This deregisters devices and prevents accidental access. Cancel or transfer subscriptions tied to the family plan, such as Apple Music, TV Plus, or extra iCloud storage. Otherwise, you could lose purchases or backups. Take these actions deliberately. They prevent leftover charges and preserve the content you want to keep. Finish by tapping Leave Family and confirm when prompted. If you were removed by an organizer, you'll get a notification instead. After exit, verify you can access purchases you owned and that iCloud data is intact or transferred. Make sure subscriptions reflect your status and update payment info where needed. If something goes wrong, like missing purchases or stuck sharing, sign out and back into your Apple ID, check purchase hiding, or contact support with your Apple ID details to resolve lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.